We're headed down to the butterfly sanctuary. The kids are riding in style.
Not one of them is wearing a seatbelt. Pura vida.
It was on a leaf and I snuck up on it.
Sneaky, sneaky.
See?
Very
Now
soft.
I'm gonna give it to the man.
We're about 30 minutes outside of Torrealba at this beautiful butterfly garden. So when you come out here, you get to experience the butterflies. You also get to hang out with Mario, who is the man. And what they do is you can come out here and you can help them to regrow their trees. They have a system where you can plant the seeds, where you can harvest them, where you can hike up the trails and go ahead and plant the trees here. So it's kind of just an opportunity to come and learn about this area, and also really to help to protect the environment. They're so pretty.
I learned that there's like trees that are like endangered and they're trying to bring them back, and if you can come up here and you get seeds and different things, or you can take a tree and then you can go plant it somewhere else. Pretty cool.
Would you want to come back?
Yes,
Why?
I would love to come back. Because I like to see like other processes of like the different plants growing. So like it'd be cool to like go here, plant something, and then come back and then see like how much it's grown.
So look how awesome this is. This is how the butterflies camouflage themselves. So it looks like a serpent, and when they flap their wings, it really almost looks like a snake is moving. And then when you open up the entire thing, it looks like an owl. So if their wings are completely open.
This one's a dead one, so don't.
Yeah, look at that. Looks like the two eyes, the nose, and the wings.
It feels so weird.
Sus ojos.
Sus ojos.
No solo las mariposas, sino que las semillas y los árboles y todo su entorno, que es importante, y poderlo disfrutar de esa manera, que es lo mejor.